got slime.
We're gonna make the slime. That's why we getting all this stuff so we could make the slime.
At home?
Yes.
Yes.
That's the whole purpose. Oh yeah.
What it smells?
You gotta tell people to subscribe to your channel because there's gonna be a lot more to come besides just slime, you know.
Mom, look. Look. What's that?
Hey, what are we here to do, Brooklyn? To get your slime, right? What colors you want?
I want pink.
Pink. They got purple. I don't see pink.
Maybe let's find pink.
Okay, we're trying to find pink glitter for Brooklyn's slime.
Oh, look, paint.
That's paint.
Look.
You need glitter.
Mama, I have already had that.
Wait,
from
I
school.
found some.
Where?
Look at glitter. Glitter shakers. They got these. They got those ones. You want those? This one? These ones? I don't like that. You want to do this one?
Wait, what about we forgot the slime?
We're going to do that. They got the big glitters too.
Ooh.
Look at all the glitter.
A few moments later.
I'm going to record you and push the cart because you don't want to be like a big girl. And right, so, but you do know, wait, we might have to get 2 of those because you're doing the big glitter.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
2 cupcakes on it.
Oh, here's the glue.
Where?
Oh, your head hit the camera. Here's the glue.
Where's glue?
What? They have washable glue?
Oh.
We're going to get this one.
Look it.
It is the same thing. What? They have it here.
I told you.
Oh, this changes the game, Brooklyn.
Oh.
Look at this. They changed the game. No, we're gonna do it our way. This one's good for slime. Which glue you want to get? Do you want to get the regular one or you want to get this one for the slime?
I want to get that one for slime. Look.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Wow. Now we have to find...
Pink.
You got pink. You're gonna mix the glitter in there with it and make the slime.
What about pink?
You have the pink glitter. We can't do that. Then it's already glitter. That's not fair. That's not right. We have to do it the fun way. Make it ourselves.
Is it already glitter?
Okay, now we have to find liquid starch.
2,000 years later.
I'm gonna choose pink and purple.
Pink and purple for your slime. Okay, so now we're gonna go find Brooklyn's food coloring. Okay. Ow! I can't push you and do this.
Why?
You know, this is your vlog, not mine.
This is your vlog.
It's your vlog.
No, it's your vlog. Now it's your vlog.
So you gotta tell everybody to tune in to Brooklyn's room.
Okay.
Everybody has to tune in.
Food.
Oh, we gotta take. So Brooklyn's making a pit stop because Brooklyn wants to go look at the toys.
Mom, I saw the bunk beds.
The bunk beds, out of all things.
Look it. Look.
Ooh, the carriage. Yes, that's cool.
I want to
That's cool.
have. Mom, can I have those tomorrow?
Everything is always tomorrow with Brooklyn. Let's see what else they have. Ooh.
I saw Baby Live.
You did?
Look.
Ooh.
Look at these. Look.
Wow.
All these toys.
Look at the Paw Patrol.
Where?
Look at these.
What is those? Are those?
Surprise-imals.
Oh. But let me put these back.
Okay.
Look. Look at it.
Ruff, ruff. It's a coin bank.
Is it?
A coin bank to put all your coins in the bank.
Look, Mommy.
What else they have? What's that? Oh, Brooklyn had to make a pit stop to the toy section before we go home and make our slime.
One eternity later.
Welcome back, roommates. We are back with all our stuff to make our slime.
Yep.
So, to start making slime, we need
I got slime.
glue, 4 ounces
And
of
we got
water,
our food colors. Our food colors.
our food coloring, which we have various colors here,
Yeah, these.
and the glitter.
Yeah, purple, blue, and these.
And you need a tablespoon
Yeah, this.
and something to stir it with.
Mom, can you take all that out?
And the main ingredient is your borax. You need this. So, let's get started. You ready? All right.
Let him get it.
One eternity later.
And that's how you make slime, Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Yee.
Get some, Mommy.
Gooey.
Gooey, Mommy.
Give the camera a wink.
Thank you, week.